Hello everyone, this is Sanju. Welcome to VitaminIAS Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about proportions from the basic level to hero level. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the concept and model questions regarding. In an easy way, we are going to discuss about the proportions and what is first proportion, second proportion, and all. And here, thank you for visiting my channel, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and please share this video to your friends who is preparing for competitive exams. Let's start the class now. Let us know about proportion. Proportion is a mathematical statement that will express equality of two ratios or two quantities. For example, x by y, nothing but x is to y, one ratio is there. Another ratio, a is to b, another ratio is there. If it is equal, then it is in proportional. If it is equal, then it is in proportional. Nothing but x is to y double then a is to b. So this symbol belongs to the proportion. This symbol belongs to the proportion. See here, a is to b and c is to d is proportional. Then we have to maintain 4 dots in a square way. 4 dots in a square way. This symbol is called proportionality symbol. Proportionality symbol. And if you are taking a is to b proportional to the c is to d, then a and d are extremes. A and d are extremes. And b and c are means. B and c are means. For example, x is to y and proportional to the z is to a, then x and a is extremes and y and z, and it will be means. And when two ratios is equal, then we can say those ratios are proportional to each other. Already we discussed. It will give you the information that how one ratio is related to the another ratio, and product of extremes is equal to the product of means. For example, here a is to b proportional to the c is to d, then a comma d are extremes. Am I right? The product of extremes, nothing but a into d is equal to b into c. Here b into c are product of means. Product of means. And a into d is product of extremes. Product of extremes. And here we have two cases. It depends upon the how many quantities they given. If the two numbers are two values given, then case number 1, then we have to use mean equation. If the three numbers or three values are given, then we have to use general equation, that is case number 2. Let us know about what is first and what is mean and what is third proportion and what is fourth proportion. As I told you, here case number 1, if in question two values are there, for example 1 comma 2 or 13 comma 14 or 58 comma 39, then they are asking about mean value or first proportion or third proportion, then we can easily solve it. Before that, let us know what is first proportion and what is mean proportion and what is third proportion and what is fourth proportion. Mean proportion is also known as second proportion. Second proportion. If they are asking second proportion or if they are asking mean proportion, both are equal only. First proportion. For the example, case number 1, I told you in case number 1 we have to use mean equation. Mean equation. What is that? A by b is equal to b by c. This is called mean equation. From this equation, do the cross multiplication. Then what you will get? B square is equal to AC and b is equal to root AC. Here means here a is to b proportional to the b is to c. B and b common means here first proportion, here second proportion or mean proportion, here first and here second, and here third proportion. Here third proportion. So here b is equal to root AC, and coming to from this equation we will get a is equal to how much? A is equal to b square by c. A is equal to b square by c. C is equal to b square by a. C is equal to b square by a. Here B is equal to mean proportion or second proportion, and A is equal to first proportion. Means if you are finding A, then it's a first proportion, or they are asking first find the first proportion, then you have to find the A. If they are asking mean proportion, then you have to find the B. And if they are asking C, nothing but third proportion, you have to find the C value. C formula B square by A formula B square by C, B formula root AC. And again, we have to know one important thing. If they are giving any value, for example 1, 2, they given in the question in the case number 1, because two numbers only they given. Two numbers 1 means we have to use mean equation, that you already know. Here they are asking first proportion, find the first proportion for 1, 2. Then what will happen? Here first proportion A. So A he want, means here you have to indicate 1 as a B and 2 as a C. If they are asking A, then don't mention A here. Except A, whatever is there, then you have to mention B, C respectively. Same like that is 1, 2 they given in the question, and they are asking find the third proportion. Third proportion means C. They want C. So here C shouldn't place here. 1 means A and 2 means B. And another same way, if they are asking B for this, then you have to 1, 2, it will be A and it will be C, because B he want. Now we got it now. In the next slide we will get to know it by the solving some question, and we will understand here. Here just find for 1, 2, this is the value, and let us find first proportion. First proportion means A. So we already know from the mean equation A by B is equal to B by C. From there you will get it B square is equal to AC, B is equal to root AC, and A is equal to B square by C, and C is equal to B square by A. This is the formulas we know. So here they want first proportion, nothing but A. So I told you already, if they want A, then please don't mention A here. From B start. B, C they given. Means B, C they given. So A is equal to, what is the formula here? A is equal to B square by C. Here B how much? B 1 into 1. 1 square now, 1 into 1 by C how much? 2. Nothing but 1 by 2, and 0.5 will be the answer for the first proportion. Same like that, second proportion or mean proportion. Second proportion or mean proportion, they are asking, then what is the value here? 1, 2. Already they are asking B, means don't mention B here. A, C you have to mention. So okay, then B is equal to root AC. Root A how much? 1, and 2, root 2 will be the answer here. So for second proportion, root 2 will be the answer here. Same like that, third proportion or C. C is equal to B square by A. So 1, 2. So C you have to find it. So except C, you have to fill with the A, B. A, B means A value 1, B value 2. So here B value means 2 into 2, 2 square, and A value 1 means 4 by 1, nothing but 4. Means C value is equal to 4. For 1, 2 value, what is the first proportion? 0.5. What is the second proportion? Root 2. And what is the third proportion? 4. This will be the process for finding first and mean or second or third proportion for the case number 1. Case number 1 here. Case number 1 here. So let us know about case number 2. Here case number 2 means 3 values must given in the question. 3 values must given in the question. For example, here before that, you know very well, first proportion means A, second proportion means B, third proportion means C, and fourth proportion means D. And for the case number 2, 3 values given. So for that reason, we need to mention here general equation. What is the general equation here? A by B is equal to C by D. If you do cross multiplication, then what you will get here? A D is equal to BC, nothing but extremes products and means product, you will get it. And from there you will easily find what is the value of A. A is equal to BC by D. Okay, and what is the value of D is equal to BC by A. From there you will find it easily. B is equal to how much? AD by C. And what is the value of C is equal to AD by B. This is the first proportion, and this is the second proportion, and this is third proportion, and this is fourth proportion. First, second, and third, and fourth. For example, we will take example as, for example, 2, 4, 6. This is the value they given, and find the first proportion. Find the first proportion. Here first proportion is equal to A. Here first proportion is equal to A. Then it will be 2, 4, 6. It will be, it is already in A, shouldn't mention here. So B, C, D. B value 2, C value 4, and D value 6. Then what is the formula for A? A is equal to BC by D, and B how much? 2 and 4 by 6. Here you will get 4 by 3 will be the answer. And coming to same way, what is the B value? Second proportion here, AD by C. Means you shouldn't mention B here. Means 2, 4, 6 become A, C, D. Because here B will not come. B will not come because B we want. So here what is the formula? What is the formula? AD by C. What is the A value here? 2. And what is the D value here? 6. By what is the C value here? 4. Means you will get 3 as a second proportion, 2 C as a, 3 as a second proportion. Same like that you can do C, D also. Same like that you can do C, D also. In further video, further minutes, you will get to know it regarding these ratios and these proportions by giving more example. Let us discuss about some models. We will solve these models, then you will understand more. Here case number 1, when two numbers are given. Here I told you already, case number 1, when two numbers are given, then we have to use mean equation. What is that? A by B is equal to B by C, nothing but A C is equal to B square. AC is equal to B square. Here the C. First question, find the first proportion. Means first proportion means A. We have to find the first proportion means A, and 2, 4. Two values only given. Na? That's why case number 1. So 2, 4. 2, 4 means here it will be B and here it will be C. Because A you have to find it. So A is equal to, what is the formula here? B square by C. Means B into B by C. Here B value how much? 2 into 2 by C how much? 4. So 4 by 4 and 1. So A value is equal to 1. A value is equal to 1 here. And same like that, find the first proportion of 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So again you have to find the A, and you have to make it as B here, and you have to make it as C here. So let us know A is equal to, what is the formula? B square by C. Then just solve it. B here 6. 6 into 6 by 7 means 36 by 7 will be the answer for the second question. Same like that we can calculate second proportion or mean proportion. Second proportion or mean proportion means we have to calculate B. So from the mean equation, B is equal to root AC. Here second proportion means B you want, and 3, 27. 3 will be A and 27 will be C. Here B is equal to how much? Root AC. Root A how much? 3 and 27 is equal to root over 89. And root over 89 is equal to 9. Means B is equal to 9 will be the answer. Same like that, please try 81, 25. So here B is equal to root over, this can be A and this can be C. 81 into 25 means simply we can make it as 81 root means 9, and 25 root means 5. So 45 will be the here mean proportion. 45 will be the mean proportion of 81 and 25. Third proportion. Here third proportion means C you have to find it. So if you want to find C, then make it as A and make it as B. What is the formula for C? In a two numbers given means you have to mention A by B is equal to B by C, mean equation. So you have to mention mean equation here. From the mean equation, what is the value of C is equal to B square by A. B square by A. Here B how much? 27 into 27 by A how much? 81. 27, 81. 27 3s are 3 9s are. Means what is the value of C is 9. Means third proportion of to 81 27 will be 9. Same like that, just solve third proportion of 15 and 24. Here mentioned A and here mentioned B. So substitute the values of A and B in the formula B square by A. Then what you will get? B into B by A, and B how much? 24 into 24 by 15. Just solve, you will get the answer here. And next model is here the case number 2. We already discussed first mean and third proportion of case number 1. And whenever the three values are given, here see, whenever the three values are given, you have to go with the case number 2, nothing but you have to use general equation. General equation. What is the general equation here? A by B is equal to C by D. Nothing but AD is equal to it is AD is equal to BC. From here you will easily find A is equal to how much? BC by D, and D is equal to how much? BC by A. C is equal to how much? AD by B, and B is equal to how much? AD by C. So like this you can easily solve. And you want first proportion means A you want, means here it can be a B, it can be a C, it can be a D. So here A is equal to BC by D. BC by D. B how much? 3, and C 6 by D 12. Here how much? You will get 3 by 2 is the answer. Same like that, do for 4, 6, 10. Here first proportion means A you have to know, then 4 becoming B, C becoming C, and D becoming D. Substitute these values in the formula and you will get the first proportion. Model number 5, finding second proportion, nothing but B from the general equation. Here B you need to find. So except B, A comma C comma D will be the values here respectively. Means A will be 14, C will be 2, D will be 5. So here B value needed. Means from the formula easily you will get it. What is that B value? B value is equal to AD by C. B value AD by C. A how much? 14, and D how much? 5 by C how much? 2. So here easily you will get 35 will be the answer here. Same like that, try for it. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 second proportion they are asking, so B value they are asking. So don't mention B here. Apart from that, A 1 is equal to A, 2 is equal to C, and 3 is equal to D. So just substitute this formula values into the formula, then you will get the answer. In our next model, we are going to find third proportion from the general equation, nothing but case number 2. Here third proportion means C. So what is the formula for C here? Again write it, A by B is equal to C by D. Then C value what will happen? AD by B. C value AD by B. Means here it will be A, it will be B, and don't make it as C, make it as a D here. So you know the value of A, you know the value of B, you know the value of D. Just substitute this value into this formula. A becoming A 6 into and D 12 by B value 7. So this will be the answer. 6 12s are 72 by 7 will be the answer for third proportion. Same like that, please try for 2, 3, 4. 2 will be A, B will be 3, B will be 3 and D will be 4. Substitute this formula in AD by B, then you will get the C proportion, nothing but third proportion. In this model, we are going to find fourth proportion. So fourth proportion nothing but D. So for that reason only, from that A by B is equal to C by D, D will be BC by A. D will be BC by A. D will be BC by A. So what is here? A, 5 means A, 6 means B, 7 means C. Okay, so B how much? 6 and C how much? 7 and A how much? 5. Okay, then 42 by 5 will be the fourth proportion D. Same like that, it will be A, it will be B, it will be C. Substitute these values into the formula. D is equal to BC by A. Then you will get the answer of fourth proportion for this 8, 9, 10 ratios. Here proportion after addition or subtraction means, here sometimes in the question they will ask you, they will give you some ratio like A, B, C, D. They will give you A value, B value, C value and D value in a general equation. Means A by B is equal to C by D. In this general equation, what number should add? What number should add to maintain this proportionality equal? Means to maintain A by B is equal to C by D, what number should add or what number should deduct? These type of questions can ask here. So for that we need to know what is the general equation here. A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, here A by B is equal to C by D. Just add all. For example, which number we have to add it, we don't know. Make it as X. Means A plus X, C plus X and D plus X and B plus X. Means here A plus X by B plus X is equal to C plus X and D plus X. We need to find the X value here. So if you are writing like this, go with option. So in this 4 option, substitute every option A, B, C, D, every option, then you will get the answer. Or else there is a formula. This is method 1. By the option, go with the option method 1, and method 2 there is a formula is there, direct formula, that finding X is equal to modulate A into D minus B into C by A plus D minus B plus C. What is the X value here? A D minus BC by A plus D minus B plus C, and whole value will be module. Module means here if it is minus also come, it will be noted as plus only. This is called modular use. And X is equal to, what is the formula? A into D minus B into C by A plus D minus B plus C. This is the X value. Means here in question, if any case they are asking that what is the X value, what is the value we need to add to maintain the proportionality, then we have to find X is equal to A into D minus B into C by A plus D minus B plus C. This is the formula, and we will solve some question, then you will get the more clarity regarding this topic. Question: which number should be added 2, 5, 6 and 12 each to make these numbers in proportional? Okay, here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6 and D is equal to 12. To make them proportional, which number should be added? Means X. Finding X here. X is equal to, what is the formula? AD minus BC by A plus BD minus A plus D minus B plus C module. Then you will get it AD. How much? AD means 2 into D value 12 minus B 5 into C value 6 by A plus D 14 minus 9 whole in modulo. Then what will happen? 12 to is 24 minus 30, 24 minus 30, here minus 6 by here 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9, here 5, means x value is equal to 6 by 5 will be the answer here. So same like that, just you have to know the formula here to finding x value. Means whenever the question is asking that what type of value should added to maintain the proportional, then you have to find x value. Then x is equal to AD minus BC by A plus D minus B plus C whole in moduli. Means here minus converted into the plus. If it is means difference only, we are taking difference only, not sign, only we are taking difference only here. And next question. Thank you for watching this video till last. In this video we'll learn how many types of proportions are there, how many cases are there, how to solve it, and different model questions already we solved and we are aware of it. And next video we will discuss about the previous year's questions regarding this topic. And thank you for watching till last, and please subscribe to VitaminIAS Academy, and please share this video to your friends, and please subscribe this VitaminIAS Academy for more content and more videos. Thank you, and Jai Hind.